How to turn a live photo into a video on iPhone and iPad. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Photos application on your device and further, go ahead and open the live photo that you want to turn into a video. Once opened, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and a menu will appear. Here you will see the option for Save as Video. Tap on it and with this, the video will be saved to your camera roll from the live photo. So go ahead and scroll through and you will be able to find the video that you just saved from your live photo. So this is how you can turn a live photo into a video on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.